Once upon a time, in the peaceful town of Serenity Villa, there lived a young boy named Sam. Sam had always been known for his inquisitive mind and boundless imagination. However, as he grew older, he realized that his mind often became cluttered with unnecessary thoughts, which hindered his ability to focus and find inner peace. Determined to regain control of his mind, Sam embarked on a quest to discover a way to remove these unnecessary thoughts. Sam sought guidance from the wise old man of the village, known for his profound wisdom and understanding of the human mind. The old man agreed to help Sam on his quest. The old man led Sam to a tranquil garden hidden deep without the outskirts of the town, surrounded by lush greenery and the calming sound of a nearby stream. The garden emitted an aura of tranquility. Old man explained that this garden was a place where one can find solace and achieve mental clarity. Sam, to remove unnecessary thoughts from your mind, you must learn the art of meditation. Old Master said. He guided Sam to sit comfortably on a cushion near a small pond and instructed him to close his eyes. Sam took a deep breath, allowing his body to relax and began to focus on his breath. Inhale, exhale. He felt the gentle rise and fall of his chest as he sunk deeper into a state of calmness. Thoughts drifted thoughts his mind, but Sam remembered old man's words. Acknowledge the thoughts, but do not hold on to them. Let them pass like clouds in the sky. Sam continued to practice meditation day after day, immersing himself in the serenity of the garden. With each session, he gained more control over his mind. He learned to observe his thoughts without judgment and gently let go to those that were unnecessary. As Sam's mastery of meditation grew, he began to notice a remarkable transformation within himself. The unnecessary thoughts that had once plagued his mind began to lose their power. He no longer became entangled in their web, allowing him to focus on the present moment and fully engage in his daily activities. Word of Sam's remarkable progress spread throughout the town, and many villagers sought his guidance in finding their own inner peace. Sam willingly shared his newfound knowledge, teaching others the art of meditation and the importance of letting go of unnecessary thoughts. Months turned into years, and Serenity Villa became known as a place of tranquility and mindfulness. Sam, now a respected teacher, continued to guide others toward a more powerful existence. The lesson he had learned from old men became the foundation of his teachings, reminding everyone that it was possible to remove unnecessary thoughts from their mind and embrace a life of clarity and purpose. And so, in the serene town of Serenity Villa, the wisdom of Sam and old men lived on, inspiring generations to come to find peace within themselves and remove the unnecessary thoughts that clouded their minds.